This is Curtis Cheek, my only heart tomato, and it's supposed to be an amazing variety. I've got some fruit here. I accidentally snapped it when I was trying to wrap it around just a minute ago. But we've got one that's starting here and one here that one of those two will take off and replace it as leader. Curtis Cheek is going in the grow room. This is Curtis Cheek. It is a oxheart or paste, however you want to look at it. And we'll get a weight on it here. $277.7 grams, 9.8 ounces. 77.8 grams. Okay. Alright, I'm going to cut it open, then I'm going to get a taste test and bricks on it. What it looks like on the inside. Alright, I will get a bricks on it and then a taste test. Here's my tester. I'm going to do a quick clean of this tester just to see if I can get it up. I've been testing varieties for a while without cleaning it, just wiping it off, so I'm going to do that. So that's what it looks like, and we'll put some liquid on there and get a bricks on it. It is 3.5. Dang, that's a low bricks. Alright, so it's not the tester being wiped off, not being wiped off rather. Let me get a taste on it. It's a creamy, smooth taste, but it's not, it tastes watered down, to be honest with you. It tastes watered down. On the bland side, I mean, you can taste a very touch of tanginess to it, but yeah, it needs a higher bricks to get a more profound taste.